Alright, we're out here in the barn. Figured I'd do the intro here because why not? And I'm also not sure what I'm doing yet. So, I'm actually filming 2 videos today, and I don't know which one you're watching right now, so this will be the intro for both of them. But anyway, welcome to the channel. Alright, real quick before we get into the video, quick update on old Dusty over here. As you guys know, we bought a Jeep Cherokee, and I've been doing stuff to it, and I still actually have more to do. And also, I've been doing stuff to my bike. It's been nice in PA. It's actually back to bipolar weather where it's anywhere between 30 and 70. So I've ridden it a day or two. But anyway, I only got 2 things left to do this. One of them I have, it's actually right there. You can't really see it because it's in the toolbox. But anyway, and the other one will be here Monday. So 2 more things to do to this, and like 4 or 5 more things to do to the Jeep. So I'm gonna get those knocked out first, and then we'll get back to this thing. And yeah, finish making it wide. So yeah, that's just a quick update on that. In this video, we're going to put a few things in that came in the box. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you wouldn't know that I got a big box. I'll put that post right here. And also, you know, go follow me on Instagram. But anyways, it's a giant box. Well, not really giant, but it's fairly decent size, from Lasfit. So right there, you guys can probably already know what's going on. They primarily sell LEDs, so there's your hint. Gonna do 2 of the few things that were in the box today. One of the things is fog lights. If you guys checked out the video when I first got the Jeep, I'll actually link it up here somewhere. It has halogen fog lights. It has LED or HID, I'm not really sure which one, headlights, but the fog lights are halogen and they're crap. So, fog lights from Lasfit, obviously. And the only thing you're going to need for this is a flathead screwdriver, because there's one clip on the inner fender, and an 8mm socket. Now, if you're looking at my tools here, I also have pliers. This is a yeah, multi screwdriver thing. God, I can't think today. Anyways, and then this is a 5/8 nut driver. So problem is my adapter I broke, so I'm gonna have to use the pliers as my ratchet, or hopefully this will work, and yeah, do it that way. So not ideal, but we gotta do what we gotta do. So I gotta spin the Jeep around because it's facing the wrong direction, and meet you guys out there. So the first thing after tint that I did was the LED license plate lights, which that video did very terrible. I think it's only got like 12 views, so if you didn't watch it, click the card and watch that first, and then watch this video. We lied. First thing we're gonna do is the biggest thing that's in this box. This is the box that I posted on Instagram and you just saw the picture of. Ignore those for now. It's not going to be in this video. So, if you read this, safe and custom fit floor liners. That's kind of a dead giveaway here. And this is a pain to pull these out with one hand. So anyway, we got floor mats. So when we bought the Jeep, it only has front ones, and those are just the crappy cloth ones. There's none in the back. As you know, this is my wife's, and the kids will be in here a lot. Already are in here a lot, and the floor is freaking filthy already. So we're gonna put these in because it's the easiest thing to do, and I feel like doing that first. So let's do it. First thing you should do is clean your carpets. But I'm not doing that because I don't feel like it right now. But anyways, I have to take out the front too. But anyway, here's the back ones. You got left side, right side, and then a piece for the center. There is no floor mats in the back, so I'm going to put these in first. Alright, it's kind of hard to mess this up. So you want the Lasfit logo to be facing the outside. And actually, I lied to you guys, there is a floor mat in the back, but only on this side, not the other side. And like I said, I'm not cleaning the carpet because I don't feel like it. I'm lazy today. So anyway, just pull the sucker out. Throw it on the ground because you don't need it anymore. And toss a new one down, and you're done. Just like that. Now these are laser cut, and they fit dang near perfect, just like they should. So yeah, I'm gonna move over to the other side. Actually, I should be able to throw the middle piece in now. That's literally just like I said, this is kids are riding here all the time, and it's kind of gross in the back here a little bit already, but yeah, I put that in the wrong way. Make sure you put the centerpiece, if you buy one of these, the lip here faces the back, and they will bend and move, and you know, it'll fit, hopefully. You just got to move it around and you know, make it fit, kind of, sometime, somehow, sometime. I don't know why I said sometime. But yeah, it'll fit just like that. You tuck it in, and there it is. There's the centerpiece. Now I'll go to the other side. Give me 1 second. Alright, so like I said, this side didn't have a floor mat. Toss it down in there. Push it down in so it's nice and snug. And you're good to go. It's done. Now these ones do have the push outs for if you have clips in the back. I don't have clips in the back, but I do in the front. I'll show you guys those when I get to it, which will be right now. In the front, you'll have this little clip and one over here. They just literally slide right out of it. Just kind of pick up and pull back, and just like that. And that's it. And then you can just pull it right out. Dump all the dirt on the floor, because why not? Just throw it out of the way. Same thing goes for the front. You want the logo to be on the outside. It'll be the one with the hump like that to cover that. Slide it down in there, and it makes it a lot easier if you put your seat all the way back. Just slide it right up in there, and then your little clippy thing, push it down in and slide it forward a little bit. Same thing on the other side, push it down in, slide it forward a little bit, and you're done. And then like I said, it'll settle. This should fold back out, I hope. My wife's gonna end up catching her foot on that anyway, but there you go, on to the passenger side. Alright, I didn't film taking it out and putting it in on this side because I didn't think I had to, because it's literally the same thing that I did on the other ones. But anyway, there it is. Clips are in. Now the only thing is this one, seems like there's a gap there. I don't know if this will end up folding over with time, but it's alright. Easier to clean than the other ones, for sure. Let's get the Jeep turned around, I guess. So the first thing you need to do is turn the wheel, whichever way you're gonna work. We're on the driver's side now, so wheels are turned towards the passenger side. So we have Wow, you guys can't see crap. 1, 2, and 3. And they are the 8 mils. And I think there's one of those little pop clips back in here somewhere. But take those out and you should have enough room to just pull it out and do what you gotta do. Once you get those out, you just pull it off to the side. And that right there is the fog light. So you should just turn it a quarter turn and it'll pull out. But yeah, I can't hold the camera and do that at the same time and hold the fender liner, so stand by. I lied to you guys. You don't turn it at all, actually. I'm gonna try to get the camera in here on my other hand and show you guys. So there's like this top piece right here. It's kind of hard to see. These two pieces where my middle finger and pointer finger are, you squeeze those in like so, and then it pulls right out. So yeah. Okay, so the next thing you have to do, which I already did, is unplug the light itself. It's just this piece right here on top. You just push down and then pull out on the bulb, and you're left with this. So as you can see, the Lasfit ones are literally the same, and that's where it plugs in. So let's do it. Push that back in, throw your screws back in, put your fender liner back in, and you're done. I'll show you guys before and after as soon as I get these in. Alright, so I did something I never do, well, hardly ever. I put it all back together without seeing if it worked. So I'm setting the camera up there, and we'll see if it works. Alright, you guys saw it before I did, but look at that. Actually, from here you can't tell, but from back here farther, I'll show you. They're actually brighter than the freaking headlights. There, you can tell now. But anyway, I can't really stand in front of it because I got bushes here, but right side is the Lasfit LED fog light, left side is a crappy old halogen. So now I'm going to do passenger side. And that's it. I don't really need to film on that side because it's the exact same thing as this, but opposite. So, yeah. Alright, let's see if they both work. Of course they do. Yeah. I love this thing. It's literally so easy to work on. There you have it. Oh yeah. So see how that one's like a yellowish color? And then that. I don't remember if that's an LED or an HID. I think it's an HID though, but that's a factory HID. And a Lasfit LED. So much different. So because I'm a terrible YouTuber, I forgot to show you guys like at night before, but I'll definitely show you after at night. Alright, so as you guys can probably see, it is dark out now. We're in the Jeep. I'm gonna fire it up and show you guys the fog lights. I just wish in this that I could turn the headlights off, but I don't think I can do that, so the headlights will be on too. But alright, here goes nothing. So that's with headlights and fog lights right there, and that's with the fog lights out. Fog lights back on. So they're definitely bright. They're brighter than the headlights for sure. This camera does it zero justice. I wish you guys could see it, but unfortunately you can't, but you get the idea. Not sure if you'll be able to tell a difference because, like I said, I didn't get it before because I am terrible at YouTube. But anyway, there you guys have it. If you like the content, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, subscribe if you want to see more on the Jeep. There's a lot more stuff that I have coming for it, and yeah, it's gonna happen pretty quick. It's gonna be my wife's daily, so we're not gonna do anything huge. And actually I told her that it needs to be louder, and she said absolutely not. So exhaust is out of the question. But there's other things that we're going to do to it. So yeah, if you want to see more on this, and my Titan over there, and I showed you guys the Focus and the motorcycle already in the beginning of this video. There's definitely more to come for all of them, except for that Altima. That's for sale. If you want to buy it, let me know. Send me a DM on Instagram or something. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.